Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account where you need codes. Once signed in, go straight to security and find two-step verification. You must already have it enabled to get backup codes. Make sure you use a trusted browser or device and confirm a recovery phone or second device is listed. This prevents lockout while you generate codes. Once those essentials are confirmed, proceed to generate your backup codes without delay. You now generate the codes. Click Backup Codes in the two-step verification section and choose Generate or Get New Codes. Google gives you a set of 10 single-use codes. Download them immediately or print them. Once done, store them offline or inside an encrypted password manager so they are not reachable by attackers. Make sure to label them clearly and avoid screenshots that sync to cloud services. After securing them, verify one code. When you cannot access your usual two-step device, enter a backup code at the verification prompt. Each code is single-use, so mark it as used. After using several, or if you suspect compromise, immediately return and regenerate a fresh set. This invalidates previous codes. If things go wrong and codes don't work, try your recovery phone or the account recovery flow. Make sure to act quickly and follow prompts to verify identity. One key troubleshooting tip: if codes fail, regenerate and use a recovery phone to regain access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.